Hey everyone, and welcome back to Longnecker Datacom. I'm Dan, and surveillance is changing faster than ever before. Technology is evolving at breakneck speeds, and in 2025 and beyond, the way we look at security, remote management, data retention is drastically changing. So in this video, we're going to go over some of those key trends in 2025 and beyond, and my 5 key thoughts. Number 1, AI, artificial intelligence. So AI, we're going to go over real-time detection and pattern recognition. Number 2, cloud. So when we talk about the cloud, we're talking about deployments, getting systems out, remote management. I have crappy writing, but y'all can live with it. And let's say streamlined collabs. Meaning that you could have a main NVR brain server somewhere and send out remote individual brains to branch locations and do all of the programming management from the cloud. But we'll get into everything. Number 3, drones. Drones are pretty sweet. So obviously it's going to be like aerial coverage. It could be used for, law enforcement, agriculture. How about building inspection? Instead of dangling off the side of a building, send a drone up to take a look at it. Number 4, IoT, Internet of Things. So when we're talking about the Internet of Things, it's anything that's smart. So we're going to talk a lot about web sensors. How do you spell web sensors? So this will be like the public spaces. It's hard to write down in here this low. And it'll do data collection. So this will help smart cities monitor traffic, stuff like that. We'll get into it. And number 5, cybersecurity imperative. So as important as it is, say, to run a smart city, what if the hackers get in? This has to be utmost importance. Protect the data. And then we'll conclude with a couple of ethical considerations, because when we get into AI, pattern recognition, and biometrics, how much can somebody record of us? So let's dive in. First up, AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming surveillance from a retroactive to a proactive game. Forget sifting through hours and hours of footage. In 2025 and beyond, AI will do most of the heavy lifting. We'll see widespread use of AI-powered analytics for real-time threat detection, the identifying suspicious behavior and anomalies before they escalate. Think pattern recognition on steroids. It will also enhance biometrics, leading to more accurate facial recognition and other uses of identification. And perhaps, most controversially, we'll see AI used for predictive policing, analyzing data to anticipate and potentially prevent crimes. Number 2, the power of the cloud, access and scalability. Cloud computing is revolutionizing data storage and access to surveillance systems. In 2025 and beyond, expect flexible deployments, meaning you can easily scale your surveillance capacity up or down as needed. Remote management will be the norm, allowing you to access footage and data from anywhere you are as long as you have an internet connection. And with Starlink, we can get internet connections everywhere. Perhaps most importantly, though, cloud platforms will streamline collaboration, simplifying data sharing between authorized parties. So that could be from corporate to a local branch, or from corporate or owners directly to law enforcement or security firms. Now, in Erie, Pennsylvania, where we're located right now, I normally meet the detectives on site and pull the footage for them locally. So I could see in the future a lot of this stuff being obviously encrypted is the word I was looking for. Encrypted, as long as these are encrypted and we have servers, and which we'll get to in point 5, I think this is what we're going to do, just transferring files. Our third trend, drones. These versatile machines are becoming essential surveillance tools. By 2025 and beyond, drones will offer unparalleled aerial coverage, monitoring areas and accessing locations that are difficult to reach. We'll see increased integration of drones with other technologies like AI, there's AI again, and advanced sensors, creating highly sophisticated surveillance platforms. And drone usage will expand beyond law enforcement, finding applications in, like I mentioned, agriculture, industrial inspection, and many other industries. Number 4, the Internet of Things, or LOT. The growing network of connected devices is creating a massive web of sensors providing a wealth of surveillance data. Smart cities in 2025 and beyond will leverage this network to monitor public spaces and infrastructure for a wide range of purposes. This interconnectedness will enable comprehensive data collection, giving us a holistic view of different environments. And ultimately, this will lead us to improved situational awareness, allowing for faster and more effective responses to emergencies and security threats. Again, with the AI and pattern recognition all working together. Finally, number 5, cybersecurity imperative. Perhaps the most important, cybersecurity. As surveillance systems become more complex and interconnected, the risk of cyber attacks increases drastically. In 2025 and beyond, cybersecurity will be absolutely critical. The focus will be on robust data protection, safeguarding sensitive surveillance data from breaches and unauthorized access. Maintaining these systems will be paramount to maintaining their integrity, preventing hackers from manipulating or disrupting crucial systems. And like we talked about with the smart cities, and the IoT, and the AI, and the drones maybe running security perimeter patrol, imagine if all that was hacked. This has to be number 1. In conclusion, let's talk about the ethical dilemma. In Pennsylvania, you're not allowed to record someone's audio without them being aware of it. So it doesn't hold up in court unless they sign something. You need signs on the door in Pennsylvania to let people know that surveillance is underway. So people are already being recorded. As AI grows, we're going to have facial recognition. So how many companies have the software to record you every time you walk in, store your data? Where's the line? Now, I think there's a couple ways we can look at it. I love America. I love our rights, being able to be free, abide by the rules and laws of the land. We're able to pretty much do what we want, protect ourselves, carry weapons, conceal them. But do we necessarily want our data stored on everyone's server? My beautiful, beautiful, handsome face on everyone's NVR server? Dan was here. Dan was there. Well, Google Maps already have follow me in the text, so we know where we're going, back and forth. How much data is too much data? If you're not breaking crimes or breaking if you're not breaking rules or committing crimes, why should you be worried about if you're in some sort of business that can protect you in case of emergency, or if someone was hurt, or if you got hurt, you can find your location. We have web sensors and facial recognition, and it's tied to your phone, and your phone knows that you walked into this place and hit this camera at this time. We literally could follow your last steps. But how much is too much? So there you have it. 5 key trends or 5 key thoughts that I think will shape the future of surveillance. These advancements offer incredible potential, but they also raise serious ethical questions. How do we balance security with individual privacy? How do we ensure transparency and accountability? These are crucial conversations that we need to be having as we move forward in 2025 and beyond. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. This is Dan, and I'm out.